Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Heart to Heart, and we're going to make this sweet little Valentine's Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Heart to Heart, and we're going to be using several of these stamps. We're going to be using these hearts and this, and our hearts are meant to be together, and happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so I have a piece of FLIRTY Flamingo, and I also have my FLIRTY Flamingo ink pad, and I'm going to come in with this, and it's mounted on clear block D, and I just want it to be tone on tone, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my real red, and we're going to stamp the sentiment, and this is mounted on clear block B. You know what? I don't really like that. Let's stamp it again, and I think this time I'm going to stamp the sentiment first and then put the outline. So it's kind of hard to see. I think that looks good. Oh yeah, a lot better. So I'm going to come in with my storybook punch, and I'm going to punch this out. Just like that. And let me go ahead and close up my ink pads for now. Okay, so our card base is Whisper White Thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Excuse me. And I have a piece of FLIRTY Flamingo, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And so we will just adhere this. All right, so just like that. Next, I have a piece of real red, and let's see, this is cut at 5 1/4 by 2 1/2, or by 2 3/4, sorry. This piece is cut at 5 1/4 by 2 1/2, because it's the same length. All right, so we're just going to adhere that to our real red. Let's see, I'm going to make sure it's even on both sides. So just like that. Oops. That is not exactly straight. All right. All right, a lot better. Next, I'm going to come in with my heart punch here with the scallop one. And then I have the From My Heart Designer Series specialty paper, and I'm just going to cut a heart out. Don't you love when Stampin' Up makes the dies or the punches coordinate like that? I love that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to put this heart on that heart doily. Just like that. Doesn't that remind you of an old-time elementary school Valentine? And let's see, I'm just going to put 2 Stampin' Dimensionals here. And we're going to put our sentiment right there. And I think I'm going to pop up the whole heart. And I'm only going to put 3 down, and I'm going to put it in the back here in the wide space so that you can't see the dimensionals coming through. Alright, so just like that. Next I have the From My Heart Faceted Gems. And I'm going to come in with some glue dots. And I'm going to take the bigger ones. I'm going to get red and a white and a pink. So it's easiest if you place it on your glue dot strip and then remove it. And it's a lot easier to get it centered that way as well. Alright, so I think I'm going to put one there. And one there. And then one up there. Alright, so I'm going to come back with my ink pads. And we're using the same colors, the Flirty Flamingo and the Real Red. And I think I want the Happy Valentine's Day in red. 'Cause when I think of Valentine's, I think red. Alright, so just like that. And then I have gotten some ink here. So I'm going to try and cover that up. Well, that was not planned at all. And then that was on clear block A. And then I have 2 of the smaller hearts, and those are mounted on clear block B. And I think, just to kind of even it out, I'm going to go ahead and put those hearts right there. There you have it, a quick and simple Valentine's Day card. If you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Don't forget, you can always join my team for $99. Have a great day. Bye.